Welcome to the best picks. The best DJI Mini 2 parts is probably one of the most important things you need to consider if you own a DJI Mini 2 drone. Accidents happen, and when they do, having access to high-quality replacement parts can save you time, money, and frustration. In this video, we will explore the essential replacement parts for your DJI Mini 2, helping you keep your drone in top condition and ready for your next adventure. We will review various options, compare prices, and provide insights into what to look for when choosing replacements, ensuring you make informed decisions to maintain your drone's performance and longevity. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 Shell Cover. This is the perfect solution if your drone's shell is damaged. It's made from high-quality materials to ensure durability and a perfect fit. We only use authentic DJI parts, guaranteeing quality and compatibility with your Mini 2 drone. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's the real deal. It's built to last. The superior materials and construction ensure it can withstand the rigors of flight. This replacement part makes repairing your drone quick and simple. Get your Mini 2 back in the air in no time. This is everything you need to replace a damaged top shell. It's a simple fix for a big problem. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for support within 90 days of purchase. We're here to help. What we like. It's 100% original and made with high-quality materials, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. If your drone's shell is damaged and you need a reliable replacement that matches the original quality, this is the one for you. This ensures your drone looks as good as new and maintains its original functionality. Number 4. DJI Mini Drone Propellers. Give your DJI Mini drone a performance boost with these high-quality replacement propellers. They're designed for a smooth, quiet flight. These propellers are lightweight yet durable, ensuring safe and quiet operation. Enjoy a more pleasant flight experience. Installation is a breeze. Each package includes everything you need for quick and easy propeller changes. You'll be flying in minutes. These propellers have been thoroughly tested to ensure they perform as well as the originals. Get the same great flight performance you expect. You'll receive 24 propellers, 36 screws, and 3 screwdrivers, everything you need to keep your drone flying smoothly. It's a comprehensive kit for easy maintenance. These propellers are compatible with DJI Mini 2, Mini SE, and Mini 2 SE drones. Please note that they are not compatible with the original Mavic Mini. What we like. This pack comes with 24 propellers, providing ample replacements for your drone. If you frequently fly your drone and need extra propellers to avoid downtime, this is a great option. The low-noise design ensures quieter flights, and the included screwdriver makes installation a breeze. What people say. These Mini 2 blades were almost a direct fit and bolt-on deal with one difference, 1. The screws are very loose fit into the blade mounting holes, placing saran wrap over the hole then inserting screw and then a little working of the blade made for a very good fit and swivel action. 2. There is no Loctite on the screw threads, use your own. In the end my old Mavic Mini 2 is much more responsive and battery life is a touch longer than before with no errors while flying. Great replacement fit my drone perfectly. Glad that it comes with multiple sets of blades for when I inevitably run into a wall again. Great durability and you can tell amazing build quality. Works just as good as the factory ones. Just seems a little harder plastic so not sure how long they will hold up to Arizona heat but worth the gamble. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 Propellers. Experience a quieter and more stable flight with these replacement propellers. They're designed for easy installation and removal. These propellers are specifically designed for the DJI Mini 2, Mini SE, Mini 2 SE, and Mini 4K. Please note, they are not compatible with the Mavic Mini. Enjoy a smoother, quieter flight thanks to the lightweight design and precise balancing of these propellers. They provide powerful and stable performance. A mini screwdriver and screws are included for quick and easy installation. We recommend using thread locker for a secure fit. You'll receive 16 propellers, 24 screws, and a screwdriver. Plus, enjoy 24-hour customer support if you need assistance. What we like. With 16 propellers, a screwdriver, and screws, it offers great value. If you're looking for a cost-effective replacement set that provides a balance of performance and quiet operation, this is a smart choice. The powerful blades ensure longer flight times and stable performance. What people say. Screws fit holes tighter than OEM, and less wiggle once mounted. More pitch than the originals. Flies a little faster and definitionally travels climbs and drops faster. Make sure you install the blades correctly. Watch some videos so you do not make the mistake I did thinking all the blades are the same. One half the blades will have a small line near the top of the blades near the screw holes for DJI Mini 2. This go on the rear left on front right sides. The blades without marking go on the right rear and front left. Number 2. RotorLogic DJI Mini 2 aircraft. This is a replacement aircraft for your DJI Mini 2 drone. It's perfect if you've lost or damaged your original drone. It's brand new and never been used, ready to take to the skies. Please note that it does not come in retail packaging. It includes the aircraft itself, along with the gimbal camera, gimbal protector, and propellers. You'll be ready to fly in no time. Remember, this replacement only includes the aircraft. The remote controller, battery, charger, cables, and other accessories are sold separately. Get back in the air quickly with this easy-to-install replacement. It's the ideal solution for a damaged or lost drone. Simply attach your existing accessories and you are ready for your next adventure. Enjoy the ease and convenience of a like-new drone. What we like. It's a complete aircraft replacement, perfect if your drone was lost or damaged beyond repair. If you need a quick and easy way to get back in the air, this is the solution. Simply attach your existing battery and remote, and you're ready to fly again. What people say. Exactly as described. Some reviews mention receiving used or broken devices. This was not my experience. Very clearly a brand new aircraft with all original stickers in place, including the one securing the gimbal cover. Bound with my remote straight away. Zero issues. The drone was brand new, with all the stickers, and unactivated, which meant I could purchase DJI Care Refresh. The drone looks, activates through DJI and flies exactly like the Mini 2 I bought, bundled with a controller and batteries, ECT. Linked with my existing controller and was flying as soon as the firmware was updated. Brand new with all of the factory stickers on it and a gimbal protector. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini 2 arm. This is an original DJI Mavic Mini 2 right front arm. It's a perfect replacement part for your drone. It is specifically designed for the DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone, ensuring a precise fit and seamless integration. This arm is the ideal solution for repairing your damaged drone. It will restore your drone to its original condition. For optimal results, we recommend having a professional install it. This ensures proper functionality and safety. This is a brand new, 100% authentic DJI part, guaranteeing quality and reliability. It's made to DJI's exacting standards. This replacement arm is compatible only with the DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone. Please verify your drone model before ordering. What we like. This is an original DJI part, guaranteeing a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you need to replace a specific arm on your drone, this is the genuine part you need. It's recommended to have a professional install it to ensure proper function and avoid further damage. What people say. Perfect fit and quality. OEM and have had zero issues since fixing the drone. Ordered this for a broken arm and replaced. It was fairly easy to install with a little bit of soldering. Comes complete with all wires intact, ready to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.